It's fire. Firefighter. Hold on. Make sure she's holding on to the side. Oh, you're being brave, huh? You're like, I'm gonna let go. Here, let's put pillow in front of you. Here you go. Yay! Hold on, Janelle. It's okay. Janelle! Choo choo! Choo choo! Aray ko. Okay, I'm dizzy.